Hello, I'm Daniela. In today's video, I have something a little unusual. I have 5 gifts or products that you can give a slow stitcher for Christmas that they'd really enjoy. And if you want to just get them for yourself, well, you might enjoy these as well. There are different price points. Everything runs under $50 or so. So I hope you find this enjoyable and helpful. The first little product that I think a slow stitcher would enjoy are these little interesting wooden bobbins. Now you've seen me use them throughout my videos. They're really cute. They come in different themes like lighthouses or sea animals. Now you can find them in stores. I know Hobby Lobby tends to carry various little bobbins in their embroidery section. You can order them online and possibly even on Amazon. They're a small little product that adds a little festive touch to my sewing. I really enjoy the holidays, whether it's Easter or Christmas or 4th of July or any of those type of holidays. And so something like that really kind of brings it into perspective and makes the year pass by really enjoyably. So the first item that's really helpful as well as kind of indulgent and fun, but not very expensive, are these plywood bobbins. Now the intentional bobbins have a slit or two where you can wrap your thread around before you start winding your thread around the bobbin. And you can get different themes. I love the lighthouses, I have the sea life, and just some of these fun little ones as well. Here you can see how I wrap the sea life, the whales, right around here and have the thread. For the holidays, you saw me using the little reindeer, and these are just cutouts, and they're a separate link, and they weren't necessarily intended to be used as bobbins, but I thought they made beautiful, beautiful accessories. So I'll include the links below for the places that I have found them. Now this is just a fun little gift. It could be a great stocking stuffer, or it could be a great gift on its own, and it just really makes it really seasonal and fun when you're doing your slow stitching. Another gift for a slow stitcher that would be most appreciated would be a little vial of specialty needles. Now these Sashiko needles are gorgeous. They're enjoyable to work with. They come in an assortment. There's only 4 or 5 needles in each little vial, but they are stunning. It's a little bit of a splurge for somebody who stitches all the time, but it's definitely an appreciated gift. So here there are 5 needles in this set, varying lengths, and these are just easy and beautiful to hand sew with. These retail for under $20, and they're a lovely gift because we all go through needles. Some break, some bend, and some get dull through the years. So having a beautiful, substantial hand sewing needle is just a treasured gift. The packaging is pretty iconic for these. They come in these little paper boxes. And anyone who's ever had it gifted to them before knows exactly what they're getting when they first open it. So it's quite a lovely gift. These have such a beautiful feel when you're pulling them through fabric and using them. So I'm sure this would be a great gift. Now another gift that would be a really luxurious one is a little necklace that you wear. You hang it around your neck. It comes with a little case and it holds your very sharp scissors. This way you don't lose your scissors. You don't have to set them down and then try and retrieve them. They're just hanging around your neck. Now for more of an extravagant gift, you have this silver scissors pendant. Now, these silvers are very sharp. As you can see, they're quite beautiful. Little teeny embroidery scissors. They fit right into this little case here. Now it's quite beautiful. They're very protected. Nobody's going to get stabbed or poked. And it has this long chain, and you wear this around your neck. And if you're doing a lot of sewing, it's just handy to have those scissors right there and right at the ready available for you. This one retails for around $50. You can find various price points, but this is far more expensive than the $10 or $20 items I've been showing you. It is a lovely gift if you have something you want to gift somebody who likes to sew. No matter what type of seamstress they are, this will be very much appreciated. The case that holds them in protects them and protects you so nobody gets stabbed. And it's just a fun little gift. The scissors are usually very high quality and extremely sharp. And it's just really something that a stitcher might not purchase for themselves, but would definitely enjoy having. Now another product for slow stitchers is a needle case. You could make them out of fabric, and they're called little needle books. But I like this one in particular. And again, I'll include the link to the Etsy shop below. I particularly like this one because it has little magnets, so I can remove the piece altogether. Now I put in my own little sewing needles, but look at how beautiful that is. It just clasps right down. But I just love the way this attaches. It holds a good portion of needles at a time, easily a dozen or more, and it's just a nice little gift. Again, this is an under $20 gift. It's just a fun little thing that makes using your tools a really enjoyable process. So that's a really handy tool to have to store your needles. Now the last gift is kind of a little bit of a lark, but it's a fun gift nevertheless. It incorporates jewelry into your slow stitching. And it's just a little bracelet that you wear on your wrist that has all the measurements, like measuring tape. Another item that might be a really fun gift to give is what they call a wrist ruler. Now it's kind of jewelry, but it's also functional. You can get them with different finishes. This happens to be a leather finish. And it's just a ruler, as you can see right here, but it wraps around your wrist. So you can wear it as jewelry. You can do your sewing, but you also have this little ruler nice and handy. And you can wear it just as jewelry, or who knows, whenever you need a little tape measure, you've got one right at your wrist that you can just pull off and measure. So that's a handy and a very enjoyable little tool, something somebody might not purchase for themselves, but it would be a cute little gift to receive. So I think that's a really fun little gift. It's really cute to wear just anywhere, a night out or anything as well. These are the 5 gifts that I think are great for slow stitchers. They're not extremely expensive. They're little luxuries that they might not purchase for themselves. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for joining me today.